It's 9:20, guys. A.M. I always start the days like this. Well, not always, but most of the days I've been here. Take some chocolate milk. Well, first go produce some chocolate milk, go to the bathroom, and then I pick up some chocolate milk. My laptop, which has been charging. Say hi to the bunny if he's there. And then, let me put this in the pocket. So I can carry this. Because there's no power down here. So I keep running out of power during the night. I fall asleep listening to some shit on the laptop. And then I wake up with it being empty. I go up to the bathroom, charge this thing up for a little while, and then I come back here. It's kind of messy in here. And then it's chill time. Boom. Let's go. We got the radio working. We're heading to the harbor. Right, Bruno? We're heading to the harbor. We're over here to have her bread. She's in her, whatever you call it, in heat. I don't know if that did it. We've already been here once today. Let's see if he does the job. Another busy day on the beach. Good morning, guys. The bunny's there. Alright, here we go, guys. All packed down. Keeps compressing more and more. Keep getting better and better at packing it. Alright, I hung out with Alan for a bit. I'm all packed up now. Got everything strapped. Just gotta get my shoes on. Strap these on. That's always the last step. And then I'm off. Shit. My frog broke off. USB rechargeable. I got it while I was here. Alright guys, here I am. I got a bit of a lift to go here. Like 30 kilometers. Basically last time I was placed more or less the same spot last time he gave me a lift. So I'm going home now. But without a jacket it's too hot, man. Oh. Let's go. Here we are. Got all this shit on. I don't know if you can tell. It's kind of difficult to show you guys. But yeah, I'm just going home. I'm not really in a rush today, I don't think. I did get a notification that a package, it's my last day to pick it up, but I think I'm gonna ask my cousin if he can't do it for me. It's a cleanup job. Apparently, when they built this shit, they went slightly into the neighbor's territory, or whatever you call it, his land. So this whole place has to be flush with the backside of this wall. So all this stuff has to be removed. Yeah, I've just been helping out, moving some things and just getting ready to move all this stuff away from there so they can rebuild this stuff so it doesn't end up on the neighbor's land. It's a beautiful day. Longest day of the year. I remember the shortest day of the year. I didn't really do much. Last load. Check it out, guys. Oh, shit. I've completely cleared out this place with a little help from some of the other guys moving some heavy stuff. Yeah, check it out. Definitely is the longest day in the year. Man, it feels like a long day already. I'm just gonna get rid of this thing and just clean up the final bits. Probably go and have a little bit of a break. Yeah. Work will set you free. Midsummer solstice dinner is coming along. This is what Jewel made. I'm making sushi, you guys know me. Det ser faktisk rimelig vildt ud. Okay, let's serve it.
Hvad er det for en fest? Er det kæft eller noget? Er det kæft eller noget fest?
Her, Jazz, kom! Kom, Jazz!
Det stopper.
Kom, Jazz, herhen! Kom!
Stopper. Det stopper. Og hans københavnske... Ja, jeg kendte nærmest ingen. Det var ret...
Kom, Jazz! Vicky, ikke slå!
Miki,
Det er også meget
kan du være sød?
Det er også meget fedt, at ikke kan med nogen. Fordi så er du meget fri.
Men var ikke...
Fordi du kan ikke nogen,
Nej,
så
præcis.
du kan vælge at snakke og danse
Og så finder man jo også ud af, at man jo godt kender dem, selvom man ikke har et ansigt på dem eller et navn. Nå, du eller...
Ja, okay.
Gamle Krogerup eller... Nature is also changed and become beautiful.
Ja, du ser for vildt ud, der kommer vilde hester og vilde...
Med 3 hoveder. 3 hoveder hest.
Hvad?
3 hoveder hest. Nej,
der er vilde hest, der kommer meget liv, dyrliv og alt muligt.
They don't care. Turn black. Normally aren't black. Makes me less like a mutation.
Man må også lægge noget bag sig.
Og man må også godt
Lægge noget
lægge
bag sig.
noget bag sig.
Ja.
Men vil du så ikke have 2 sadler?
Nej.
Eller rive den der over?
Jo, jeg kan rive den over.
Eller vil du have mange papirer?
Nej.
Så får en hel
Det kunne jeg godt. Men altså, det skal da ikke være.
Stadig i gang.
Altså, man kan jo nok finde på noget, jo, hvis det skulle være.